right, here we go. We got room 278. Check this out. This is incredible. Living room right in front of us. Bathroom right off the door to the side. Let's go check out the bathroom first. Cool small artwork. There's one sink, not two, but a whole lot of counter space. Pretty nice. Big, huge mirror. Hello. Lots of towels, of course, just like you'd expect. Back out of here, and you see the big, huge tub and shower. All of the amenities and things that you'd expect, not bolted to the wall. But the nice thing I like when the hotels do is this is bowed out. It's not a straight wire on that. So you close it, you get a little bit of extra room up in the top because it goes out and away. Pretty nice. A little bit dirty, that's fine. Not too concerned about that. Of course, it has the door hooks on here. You can hang up your shirts. We like doing that. We hit our shirts with the Downy wrinkle releaser and then put them. Hi again. We hit our shirts with the Downy wrinkle releaser and then put them on that hook. And then with the steam of the shower, they lose all of their wrinkles. Pretty cool. Nice, good sized closet. A pair of luggage racks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 hangers. Pretty nice. The door, of course, swings both ways with your ironing board. Beautiful artwork that's up here on the wall. Really like that. Cool wallpaper. Let's get into the proper room here. So we have 2 queen beds. Very nice looking headboard. Kind of clean, modern. Good sized TV. Not a huge one. The room comes with a microwave, comes with the ice bucket, comes with actually a really large fridge. Look at this, goodness. Above my waist, maybe 3 feet tall, 4 feet tall. Goes in really deep. If you are used to Disney-sized fridges, this is awesome. And it has a freezer section. You're gonna get lots of use out of that. The drawers are pretty enormous and deep. That's nice. I always like it when they don't have shallow drawers. There's 3 of them, of course. Little table with the 3rd mirror of the suite. Wow. But a workstation. We'll count the outlets in a moment. I'll show you that window in a second because I like that. Just a sitting area with another lamp. So we brought our kids. We'll probably be playing some card games out there, reading some books and things, enjoying a little bit of downtime. And then this is actually a double lamp. You can see you've got 2 switches down here. You turn on just one, just the other. Neither, or both. Nice. And then, of course, I assume there's a Gideon Bible. Oh, there's not a Gideon Bible. Look at that. Anyway, a little extra storage. Let's check out the outlets in this room. Oh, and then for security, always nice to have the deadbolt and all that. See, in the bathroom, we have 2 regular outlets. And down here, we have 2 more available outlets by the bed. There's 2 more of those. See, I actually passed another pair of outlets over here on the side. Over here behind the little table and chair areas, there's one available one. You could certainly unplug the lamp. I'm not counting that because it's in use. And then here on the table, 2 more regular outlets. No USB outlets in this room, curiously, so I'm glad we brought all of our adapters. The room that we are in is directly above the lobby. I asked them to be as close forward as we could get, which means I've got a fake balcony, which isn't, I can't get out there, of course. I have a view of Space Mountain right out my door, along with the monorail right outside my hotel. Oh, there's the Matterhorn. Oh, there's the rocket. My goodness, you guys. How awesome is this? We're gonna see some views from this room. We can watch the fireworks directly from our hotel room without having to worry about anything, which we may do depending on how tired the kids are. Hope you guys enjoyed this view of the Best Western Park Place Inn suite here in front of the Disneyland Resort. Thanks so much for watching. Hope it was helpful to you. We love this place. It also has a free continental breakfast packed in with it too. So check it out. It's within walking distance to the parks. You cannot get closer than this hotel to the entrance of Disneyland. Even the Disneyland Hotel is farther away. Thanks for watching, guys. Here's another video to help you plan that Disneyland vacation, and subscribe right up here, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time we ride the Teacups. Later, y'all.